Hello guys, very good morning, and today is our Independence Day in India. So happy Independence Day guys. And today I came with another tutorial, and this tutorial is about how can we make a barcode scanner. Okay, we'll scan barcodes, QR codes or any type of codes, OCR codes with this program. Okay, so here we'll use CV2 for opening the camera, and secondly we'll use PyZbar module because this module is very popular in scanning barcodes, and we'll use this. If you are not known about PyZbar, then you can install PyZbar by pip install command. Okay, so I hope guys you have installed CV2 and PyZbar. So let's get started. I will firstly import CV2, and then I will install PyZbar class from PyZbar package. So I will type here from PyZbar import PyZbar. Okay, and now let me start the video capturing of CV2 directly. So I will name it as cap, and CV2 dot video capture I will call here, and I will pass here the URL of the camera. Okay, and I want this with my mobile camera. Okay, I want to scan the barcodes from my mobile so that all the data will be transferred to my desktop. And I have made one video day before yesterday, this video how to connect mobile camera with PC. You can go through this video and you will understand how can we do that. Okay, I will just skip this step in this video so that it will not take more time. Okay, so I will call here URL, and you will have to pass here the URL of your mobile. Okay, and what will be the URL? Let me do here. When you will go through that video, then your URL will be 168.43.1. the port 8080 divide video. That will be the URL when you will go through that video. Okay, and if you want to make this with laptop camera, then you can pass here 0, but we recommend to use mobile so that it will be looked like real barcode scanner. And now under the while true loop for infinity, I will use here rate and frame from cap dot rate. Okay, and I'm also resizing the frame because the mobile camera frame will be larger, so I will resize it to appropriate size here, and I will call here firstly the frame, and secondly I will pass here the position 0 0, and next I will pass the percentage of X side to 50%, so I'll pass here 0.50, and also Y is 0.50. okay, so 50% will be resized. Okay, and now I want to show here a text that how can we close the camera. Okay, so I will pass here simply cv2 dot put text. Okay, and I will call here the frame, and also the message which will be shown here, press Q to close camera. Okay, that's it. It will be the text on our video, and the position of that I want in 10 of X and also 10 of Y. Okay, and now let me pass here the font style, cv2 dot font say simplex. Okay, and now size 0. Let me do it 0.5. Okay, and the color I want something like green, so I'll pass here green value is larger and red value is something. Okay, and now pass it width as depth as 1. And now we'll have to scan the barcodes from single frame. So I will call here firstly let me make a variable called barcodes here. Under this we'll save all the barcodes. Okay, and we'll have to decode the frame for the barcodes. Okay, so I will call here pyz bar dot decode method. This method extracts all the barcodes from single images. So I will pass here the frame, and now under the for loop we'll extract all the single barcodes from barcodes variable, because there may be many barcodes or QR codes under one frame or under one image. So we'll extract all the barcodes. So I'll use here for barcode in barcodes will extract. So all the barcodes or QR codes have the shape rectangle. We'll extract all the 4 points of that rectangle. Okay, so we will make a tuple of x, y, w, h from barcode dot rect method. Okay, from under this method we'll extract all the 4 points of rectangle, and we want to make a rectangle outside of all the barcodes or QR codes. Okay, so we'll use cv2 for this. So I'll call cv2 dot rectangle, because we have now 4 points, so we can make the rectangle. So we'll call here frame, and the first position will be the x, y, and the second position will be x plus width and also y plus height. Okay, so we have all the 4 points here, and now let me pass the color. I want it to red, so I will pass here 0, 0, 255. Okay, that will be the red color, and it is the same. Okay, now all the barcodes scanned from this pyz bar have two things. First thing is the barcode data and also the barcode type. There may be type as 1 to 8 or anything, so all the types will be here shown with that barcode data. Okay, so all the barcodes data firstly are not in a string format. Okay, because these are in bytes format, so we'll have to decode that barcode data also. So I'll use here barcode data as a variable here, and I will use barcode dot data. We'll extract barcode dot data, and this data is to be decoded in a string, because we want to show this thing in our anything variables or in our Excel files. Suppose we want this to print, so we'll have to decode in string format. So we'll use here decode, and we'll pass the method here utf8. Okay, so let me pass utf8. So it is now in string format, but barcode type is of type, so don't worry about it. You will not have to pass anything for barcode type. just call barcode dot type. So the barcode type will be in barcode type. Okay, and now let me make a text of these two things. Okay, so I'll make a string here, and first thing will be the barcode type, barcode data. So I'll pass here that barcode is this thing, and slash n I am passing here that type is this thing. Okay, and dot format is called here, and I will pass here barcode data. Firstly, barcode data, sorry, barcode data, and also barcode type. Okay, so these two things will be printed as barcode data will be printed, then under the next line will print here the type. Okay, so we have done here for the text, and now I want to show this text also on above of rectangle. Okay, so let me come here with cv2 dot put text, and I'll call here the text, firstly the frame. Okay, and after frame we'll pass the text which is to be shown, and next what will be the position. The position I want as x-axis will be the same, but y-axis I want as -20. Okay, let me do it to 10 so that it will be just after, and remove this. Okay, so that it will be in one line and it will be just after the rectangle line. Okay, so before the rectangle line. And now let me pass these things. Let me copy these things here. I want this here. Okay, cv2.font has a simplex, all the things must be the same here, and I want this color as the color of rectangle so that it will be looked like same as rectangle. So I'll pass here 255. Okay, so we have done here for the putting text, and one more thing is left here, and that is another thing. Okay, and now we have done all the things which we need, so we'll show the frame now. Okay, so we'll call here cv2 dot IamShow method, and here I will pass the window name, so it will be just barcode scanner. Okay, and next frame, sorry, what is happening here, frame, and it will be shown. And now I will use here if cv2 dot wait key 1 will be ord of q, then break. Okay, so it will be break, and after while loop I will use here firstly the cap dot release to release our video source. Okay, and now destroy all the windows, so I will call here destroy all windows. Okay, so we have done. Let me save it, and I will save it to barcode, sorry for the typo here, barcode scanner. Okay, and I will save it on desktop. So let me save it. Okay, done. Now let me connect my mobile camera with this. Okay, this is not gone here. Because I have not passed here http:// sorry about it. At last guys, we can print directly the text. So I'll check that if there is text, okay, then I want to print the text. Okay, that means when user will quit all the things, then if text is available, then it will print the text. Okay, now it is open. Now let me give it a QR code here. Okay, and let me press the Q button. Okay, and now let me close it, and you will see here that it is showing out barcode is this and type is QR code. Okay, so it will work like this. I have also a video about how to make the QR codes or barcodes as barcode generator, QR code generator. So we can go through that video if you want to make QR code generator, and we have done here QR code or barcode scanner in this video. I have converted this program to a GUI like this. I have here barcode scanner, and now all the barcodes will be shown on this screen, and it is showing out the mobile camera URL, and after start scanning it is showing out that connected to your Wi-Fi, and are you sure that you are in IP webcam connected, and start server is clicked. So after clicking on this, it will open my camera here, and all the things will work like before, and all the data will be saved here. So guys, if you want source code of this thing also, so you can message me privately. Okay, thanks for watching.